Good job.
Boring.
Good job.
Again?
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Good job. Here at Magicers, we all want to praise our students for a job well done. It's so easy to get in the pitfall of saying, good job! We say it all the time because it's exactly what we mean, but from the student's perspective, we're just there saying the same thing over and over again. The words start to lose their meaning. So it's important to expand our vocabulary and find new ways to say good job. And here, some of our Magic Ears teachers are helping us with some new ways to say it.
Yes!
Excellent work.
You are brilliant.
Wow, what hard work you did. Good listening.
Wonderful reading.
Good circles.
Great speaking. I like what I hear. Good clapping.
Outstanding repeating.
I hear that you're working so hard on your reading. Good looking.
Great dancing.
I love those circles. Tiger, you did great. Nice work. Yes.
If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click Bonnie to subscribe. And
The work you have done reading the words on the screen and pronouncing them is exquisite, and you have done excellent. Bravo! The reading you have done on this slide is exquisite. The pronunciation displays a mastery in the content. Very good.
check out this next video we have for you.